In this problem, we have to prove that sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. So first we will write the given values. It is sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. So this 3 pi by 8 can be written as, we have the general formula, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. So if I write sine pi by 2 minus pi by 8, when we take the LCM it becomes 8, denominator is 8, after taking LCM it becomes 8, so this is 4. When we take the LCM, this term becomes 4 pi and this is minus pi. 4 pi minus pi is equal to 3 pi. So this sine to the power of 4 3 pi can be written as sine pi by 2 minus pi by 8. This value is cos pi by 8. Here I am writing sine 3 pi by 8. Sine 3 pi by 8 value is this. Similarly, sine to the sine 5 pi by 8. We have this formula. It is sine pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Here when we take the LCM, it is 4 pi plus 1 pi, 5 pi. Yes. So sine 5 pi by 8. Sine 90 plus theta is also cos theta. So here we will write cos pi by 8. So in the question, whole power of 4 is given. So we can write here whole power of 4 also. Sine to the power of 4, cos to the power of 4. Yes. Now one more term. Last term is sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. So here we can write sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to sine to the power of 4 pi by, sorry, it is only pi minus pi by 8. So when we take the LCM, it is 8 minus 1 7 pi by 8, and we know that sine 180, pi means 180, pi by 2 means 90 degrees. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So here we get sine to the power of 4 pi by 8. So we will substitute here in place of this. First term we are keeping as it is. This is sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus, in place of this second term we are writing cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. Cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus the next term is also cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus the last term is sine to the power of 4 pi by 8. So we have 2 times sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 and 2 times cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. So we can write 2 sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2 cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. From these two terms, I can take 2 common. So this becomes sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. This is, here we are taking one formula. It is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, this is our general formula. So here we have sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. So we are taking plus 2 times sine to the power of 2 pi by 8 cos square pi by 8 minus 2 times sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Means here only a and b is there. Instead of a and b, here we will write sine. This is sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square is equal to, it becomes this expansion. This is till here we can write like this. A square means sine to the power of 4 pi by 8. B square means cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. 2ab means 2 sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. And we are taking this term as it is. It is minus 2 times sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in place of this term, I can write 1 whole square. So, but here we have, first we have 2. So after that we have to write the expansion. So I am writing 2 into expansion of this term. Sine power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8 is this one. This is sine square plus pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square minus 2 times sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. This is equal to 2. Here we are applying the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 is 1 whole square minus 2 times. One more formula we have. Here I will write. Okay. First we will keep this term as it is. 2 sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. When we open the bracket, we get, it is 2 ones are 2 minus 2 twos are 4 sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. Okay, no need to write this term. Okay, sorry. We will write 2 as it is. No, here we have to multiply. 2 ones are 2 and this is 2 twos are 4 sine to the power of 2 sine square pi by 8 and this is cos square pi by 8. Sorry, here also we have to open the bracket by multiplying with 2. So we have to write this term like this. 2 minus 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. Means this is 2 twos are 4. Sine pi by 8 whole square means sine square pi by 8. Cos pi by 8 whole square, cos square pi by 8 is cos pi by 8 whole square. So here what we have to do, for this term we have one general formula. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So in place of theta we have pi by 8. 2 sine pi by 8. This can be written as 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 is equal to 2 times sine 2 times theta is pi by 8. So we can cancel this term. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So it becomes sine pi by 4. Got it? So this term is sine pi by 4. So here we are writing 2 minus sine pi by 4. This is whole square. Sine pi by 4 means it is 1 by square root of 2. This value is 2 minus 1 by square root of 2 whole square. So here I am writing this is equal to 2 minus square and root get cancelled. We get 1 by 2. When we take the LCM, it is 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. This is our required answer.